Have you heard about the Jamaican love stone? Sex can be one of the most pleasurable experiences man or woman can have, as sex is an essential part of human life. Couples would try every trick in the book to have a most pleasurable sexual experience. Unfortunately, not every couple can attain the peak of sexual pleasure to absence of good sexual relationship in a common reason for failure of marital union. There are many reasons why couples cannot attain maximum sexual pleasure, but over time, premature ejaculation is the culprit. In men, diminished sexual power can be an ego deflating. The inhaling, the inability to perform during the sexual act is very embarrassing. Premature ejaculation is a sexual dysfunction that is also called rapid climax. Most medical treatments tend to resolve premature ejaculation, do not reply to put an end to the problem. I've heard about the Jamaican love stone. It is one of the solutions to sexual dysfunction. Have you been looking for Jamaican love stone? Well, this is the place. This is an all-natural formula that helps with premature ejaculation. If you're looking for the real Jamaican stone, this is what the real Jamaican stone looks like. Thank you for watching my YouTube video.